Holy second gen Dodge, what is this? This is the last one we have, which is very rare. I actually need this radio, so we actually have a purpose with this one. Oh yeah. Man, look at the intact Dodge dash. Really, this truck isn't even that bad. It's in pretty good shape. All right, what do we got? Oh yeah, this thing fired right up. Oh yeah, the radio works. I'm just shocked this thing fired right up. That is crazy.
Now this is a little different than most transmissions. First stop draw doesn't work, but third does. Neutral is park, reverse is second. If you want to use reverse, put it in drive. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.